Shubun ngut kinas na kalaya ki baklam kam klam jam ne kasngi kila Leit Pyniasnoh mentah ha kajing penungkam Shabari bala penlang da sorkar jala haslong menteri nang ba kajala konrat ki sangma ulalong ukong san ha kani kasngi ha ba ajing kran sikinong thok khobor ulaang bakadan Shubun kijing duna ha kabaya day bat kijing don kinas ban ajing sumar ha ka perthei na kabenta kawat ka Banyngkong jong kani kijing penungkam Palat si Hajar ngut kinas ki balawan ban Pyniasnoh haba penpau ya kejing kuak jong ki ban aikam ajam ya kinos na mekalia ki agensi na kiri beper kilawan ban yasim mentah kani ke program kinos ki balawan penrung kerteng kin hak ban Leit syak hikai ha Mumbai Delhi bat Bangalore ha kani kejing ajing hikai an hikai ru ya kini kinos bakin nang ya ki rukom kren an sete ya ki sekolar bat ki kenhuan na Shabari ki bakwak ban penrung kam ya kini kinos Kesorkar kan penelut kumbasan Hajar tengka ban ajing hikai ya iwe pe iwe inos lakan tup lang ya ketenat labor banyadan bentalang ha kene ke program.
They qualify, we will be happy to support as many as possible, and we hope that once this happens, this will be a huge impact, not just in the personal lives of the individuals who get through, but for the overall state where foreign exchange, different connections and different sectors will then open up for economic activity in the state with the country with which we are able to partner with and send our manpower out there. So it's a great step forward.
So this is really good. You've seen the kind of response. Everywhere we were touring, the one thing that I got to know is too many nurses are without a job. And like the Honorable Chief Minister said, paramedical. There's a huge market for paramedicals as well. This is the new opportunity that we're seeing. We have the manpower, we have the people, and the government is doing a very good thing by supporting these young people.
La pelat